In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a SproutGig account. First thing you need to do right here is to head over to your Chrome browser right here and type in SproutGig.com. So the next thing you need to do right here is to click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button, it's going to take you straight to this page. So they're going to ask you to fill out your name. They're going to ask you to fill out your email address, fill out your password. They're going to ask you to confirm your password. And also they're going to ask you for your username. So you need to actually put that there. Then once you're done with that right here, you need to actually select the country you are. So I'm going to advise you guys, do not use a VPN while creating a SproutGig account, because they might actually ban your account for doing so. You need to make sure you actually put off your VPN so you won't get your account banned. Once you're done filling out the necessary details, the next thing you need to do right here is actually choose if you are a freelancer or you are a buyer. So if you know you are a buyer on SproutGig, I'm going to advise you actually choose the buyer option. But if you know you're someone that want to make money on SproutGig, I'm going to advise you actually choose the freelancer option. So once you're done with that right here, all you need to do is to click on you have agreed with that terms and condition. So once you actually click on that, all you need to do right here is to click on the sign up button. So once you actually click on the sign up button, they're going to send to you an email. So all you need to do right here is to head over to your email address, go verify your account. So you guys can see right here that this is the email we have gotten from SproutGig. So all we need to do right here is to click on open. So once you click on open right here, we need to actually click on this link right here to actually verify our account. So once you actually click on the link right here, it's going to take you straight to the SproutGig website. They're going to ask you to actually log in into your account. So all you need to do right here is to just fill out your email address. Then once you're done filling out your email address, to click on the login button. So once you actually click on the login button right here, they're going to take you straight to your account. So you guys can see right here that you have successfully created a SproutGig account. From here now, you could start taking up jobs. So all you need to do right here is to click on the menu button. So once you actually click on the menu button, you could actually head over to where it says micro jobs. So once you actually click on the micro jobs, you're going to see a bunch of jobs that are available. So if you actually click on find job and you actually scroll down a bit, you could actually filter them by their category. So you can see right here that a lot of jobs available, and you guys can see right here that you could actually earn $3 to subscribe to someone's YouTube channel. So if you actually scroll down a bit right here, you could actually earn $0.70 to subscribe to someone's YouTube channel. So if you actually scroll down a bit, you're gonna see that there are a lot of jobs right here that you could start taking. You could actually make some money from it. So guys, if you know you found any value from the video, please don't forget to like the video, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.